Hello, it's Josh from Server.pro here, and today we'll show you how to create a free Minecraft Java Edition 1.17 server. Firstly, you're going to need to sign up for an account. Head over to Server.pro, enter your email and the password that you'd like to use, and then click Sign Up. You'll then receive an activation email that looks something like this. Click the activation link and you'll be brought to the page on which you can create a server. Firstly, select the free plan. Then, select the location closest to where you live. Next, choose a server name and then create the server. You may have to wait in a queue to create your server, but this usually doesn't take very long. In my case, there's no queue, so I just need to click Claim Server. You can access your server at any time by visiting the My Servers page on our website. Click the Control Panel button and you'll be able to view and modify lots of different aspects relating to your server, including viewing your hostname and IP address, which you'll need when connecting to your server. You'll also be able to change your server icon. Click the I for a video showing you how to do this, or click the link in the description. Once the server is created, load up Minecraft, head to your multiplayer server list and add a new server. Enter the hostname for your server and click Add Server, then join it. And that's it. You've now got your very own Minecraft Java Edition 1.17 server. If you've enjoyed the video, remember to smash the like button, subscribe and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video from Server.pro. If you need any help, contact our support team. I've been Josh, cheers.